beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps with my channel, and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of my future videos. So in yesterday's video we did a full unboxing of the, I'll move this for now, of the brand new Brat and Revolution collection, and today we are back, but we are going to be doing a, we're going to be doing an unboxing of this huge gift set from BPERFECT. This is what it looks like. This is the Be Our Guest, Have the Best gift set. I bought this for £40, well it was like £39.95 on their website. So basically £40, and I just thought I'd show you what's inside it because there's a lot of things in here, just so you can work out whether it's worth your money. You might want to split it with friends if you just want certain bits and whatever. So yeah, just thought I'd show you what's inside. If you are wondering anything about my lip combination, I have on a little trio from Doll. So I have the You Go Girl lip liner with the My Love lipstick, and then the sponsored lip gloss on the top, and then the eyeshadow palette that I've got on, that I've literally just put away because I've just said this in my previous video, is the Lucky Penny one from COLLABS. And so it just looks like this, just gone for a nice, super simple, super easy look today, just whilst I'm filming 2 videos. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. I've not even opened it, I've not even had a look myself, so I'm excited to see what I bought and whether it's worth my money, honey. So there is 9 products inside here, and like I said, it was £39.95. So technically each product has cost me £5.70. So first up we have their Perfection Primer. This is their Silky Matte Face Primer, and this is just what it looks like. I do think this gift set is amazing if you've never tried BPERFECT, or if you're like me, you don't have much from them, because I have quite a few of their palettes but nothing that's already in here, and there's quite a few products that's in here that is brand new. So we have a full face primer, which is absolutely amazing for like £5 odd. We also have a sponge. I've never tried their sponges before. This is my new Best Blend with its super soft foam technology. Is a makeup kit must have that's sure to be your new BFF. It's a latex free as well, in case you're wondering. Ooh, she is nice. She is really soft. That is actually really nice. Okay, impressed. I'm fussy with sponges as well. Very happy with that. We also have a pair of lashes. This is just what they look like. Ones that I would actually wear as well, which is even better than kind of like massive ones or like really tiny ones that wouldn't normally be for me. So this is the Universal Lash Collection. Luxe Silk Lashes, and this is just what they look like, and it says that they are reusable as well, which is even better. We also have a mascara, which I believe is brand new. Actually, I think there's only 2 brand new products in here. Palette. I think it's just the palette and the mascara that's brand new. But like I said, I don't own anything that is in here, so it's all brand new to me regardless. So this is what it looks like. The packaging's real nice. I'm not going to open it to show you the wand because I don't want to open it until I'm ready to open up a new mascara. This is just what it looks like. So that is the mascara. The thing that really excites me about this gift set is this next one. So this is a palette. Let me see if I can actually get it out. So this is the Manifest Aspire palette. So I remember I think it was like last Black Friday, BPERFECT did like mystery boxes, like gift bags, like the mystery boxes, bags or whatever they were called. And I think they were like 40 quid, and you got like a couple of things, but you also got a mini Manifest palette, and I did this look with it that I absolutely loved. And I remember Becky, one of my patrons back in the day, messaged me and was like, oh, I really liked your look, I recreated it. And I remember like losing my mind over the fact that somebody liked my makeup look that much, that they then went out their way to, in their time and effort, to recreate it. And now like, and it's crazy to think now like Becky's like one of my patrons, like I've met up with her. We stayed like in Liverpool together, we've been on a night out together. Like it just blows my mind like how much has happened just in the space of a year. So yeah, that just was like a proper throwback moment. So I'm so excited to see what this palette looks like, because it looks like there's a bronzer, a blusher, a highlighter, and then 6 different shades of like eyeshadow. So let's see what this looks like, and I'm pretty sure this is meant to be like, I think the normal one used to be like, was it like £15 or something to buy, or was that when it was in the sale? So it's quite a pricey palette within itself, considering like this full box is £40, and this palette itself, when you divide it up with all the products, would only be like £5 something in the box. So I just think it's absolute bargain. So this is just what it looks like. The packaging is beautiful. The little like bubbly things are like 3D. Don't know why I'm going so much into detail, but I'm just excited about this. This is what it looks like. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, that is a bit of me. That is a bit of me. What I will say is that this isn't going to work for everybody, because that's not going to be deep enough for some people. That's not going to be light enough for some people. It's very, very, very kind of exclusive. I was saying the wrong word in one of my videos the other day, and I was meant to be saying inclusive, I think. Or I can't remember which one I was trying to say, but this excludes people. It's not inclusive, because not everyone's going to be able to use this. They also brought out like another face palette like a couple of months ago, and that was the same. Like I would have maybe got away with it when I had fake tan on, but it just wasn't like one that a lot of people could have reached for. And I just feel like you should do that in different shades if you're going to put a bronzer in a palette, because how you expect everybody to use that? Like, excuse me. The blush looks really nice. This looks like it probably be a bit dark for me, maybe. We shall soon see. And then we also have 4 mattes and then 2 shimmers. So absolutely beautiful. The colour collection, the selection of colours here. Oh, sexual. I love it. I love it. I love it. Simple as that. Next up, which is one that I've always wanted to try, because it's always in the basket when you go to like buy something. It's like, do you want to buy eye primer? And I'm like, no, I fucking don't. Thank you very much. But now I do, because it was in my little box. But yeah, this is the BPERFECT Perfect Prime Eyeshadow Prime Base. I'm just laughing at myself, because if you can't make yourself laugh, then what are you doing with your life? But yeah, this is just an eyeshadow base, as you can tell. And it just looks like this. So I'm excited to try it, because I normally wear like my Revolution one or my P. Louise base, and I never really reach for any of the ones, so it'd be interesting to see what that one is like. We also have a lipstick. So this is the Pout Star Soft Matte Pout lipstick. So the packaging just looks like this. Ooh, the packaging is very luxe. Oh my god. Oh my god, right, look at this. Can you see the pattern on that? Oh my god, that is so cool. Oh, I'm actually not going to use it because it's beautiful. It's like loads and loads and loads of little spirals. Don't know why, but I felt like I needed to sniff it. Doesn't smell of anything. But yeah, a nice nude lip colour. Right up my street. And it would go really, really well with that palette as well, which is really good. We also have a lip liner. Yeah. Get it. Ooh, this looks like it's a brown. So this is the shade Tame. The packaging, again, really, really nice. And, oh god, yeah. That is nice. This gift set is beautiful. And literally like £40 for all this. Crazy. And then last but not least, we have a double glazed lip gloss. This is in the shade Iced Latte. In case you were wondering what shade that lipstick was in, by the way, that was in the shade Raw. Let's see what Iced Latte is. Oh, that's nice. That is really, really, really nice. Let's do a little swatcheroo. Ooh, it smells really nice, but that is what the lip gloss looks like. Stunning. I probably wouldn't pair it with the lipstick and the lip liner that I've got, to be honest with you. But that is nice. That is really nice. So yeah, that is literally everything that's in this gift set. I think this is unbelievable. If you're new to BPERFECT, or if you're like me, you don't have much from them. Like I have a few palettes, but that's about it really. I haven't really like delved. I've recently bought 2 of their blushes, which you might have seen in some videos recently. I've been putting them on in some videos. Absolutely stunning. Really, 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 really nice. I can't seem to work out what shade I would be in the highlighters. I feel like they'd be too dark for me. So I feel like the highlighters aren't really the best for me either. But this, banging. I would really, really, really recommend. So yeah, you get a lip gloss, you get a lipstick, a lip liner, an eyeshadow base, a full palette, a mascara, a sponge, a pair of lashes, and a base product, like a foundation base. You could literally do like practically a full face without like foundation and concealer and stuff, like all of the steps after that. Crazy. Would really, really recommend this. Please let me know if you want me to test any of this in a video. I don't know when I'm going to get time to, but if you want me to do it, I will add it to my list. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you probably tomorrow for a brand new video, because I'm hoping that I'll be back in the game properly this week. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.